I'm going to show you how to fit a Kelmatt camper guard to a 2015 Jayco Swan Outback. Firstly, what we do is we remove the bed end fly by simply sliding it out. Store that anywhere in the back of the van or inside. We then take our camper guard and we slide it into the trap. You can do this with two people or one person if you're okay. You then take our seatbelt webbing and we tuck it behind the brake cable. Make sure you don't put it over the brake cable as you might inhibit the braking. You then take the webbing around the back of the leg, the stabiliser leg, and you feed it through the cam buckle. Pull it tight, you go over to the other side and you repeat the same. There you have it. Very quick and easy to put on. It protects and saves the front of your van. Thanks guys.